Think twice before slashing those calories. Severe calorie restriction can lead to muscle loss as your body breaks down muscle tissue for energy. It can also slow down your metabolic rate, making it harder to lose weight and easier to gain it back. Hormonal imbalances may occur, disrupting the production of essential hormones. This can impact your reproductive health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Your immune system may take a hit too, leaving you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Feeling fatigued and weak? Insufficient calorie intake could be the culprit. It can also lead to bone health issues such as osteoporosis, especially when combined with nutrient deficiencies. Lastly, don't underestimate the psychological impact. Extreme calorie restriction can lead to obsessive thoughts about food, anxiety, and potentially contribute to eating disorders. Remember, the appropriate level of calorie intake varies from person to person. A balanced, sustainable approach to nutrition is key. So, if you're considering a significant dietary change, consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. Stay healthy, stay informed,